SeaWorld is a marine mammal park, oceanarium, and theme park located on the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. It offers attractions such as rides and animal exhibits and promotes conservation through education and the rescue and rehabilitation of sick, injured, or orphaned wildlife. The park is commercially linked to Warner Bros. Movie World and Wet n Wild Gold Coast as part of the theme park division of Village Roadshow. The park has no affiliation with an American park chain of a similar name. SeaWorld was repeatedly rated as Australia's best tourist attraction by the Australian Tourism Awards through the 1980s. In 1984, Keith Williams sold the park to property development group Pivot Leisure. Animal Adventures. For an additional fee, guests can take part in animal adventures where they can swim with SeaWorld's marine life. SeaWorld helicopters allow guests to choose between 5 different tours of the Gold Coast, ranging from 5 minutes to 30 minutes. For a further additional charge, guests can purchase a souvenir DVD of their flight. If you are currently enjoying the video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you have been or are wanting to visit SeaWorld. Dolphin Nursery Pool is part of SeaWorld's highly successful dolphin breeding program, which has resulted in dolphin births. The exhibit allows guests to see young dolphins develop under the protective watch of their mothers.